Panora Kinda will now present his valedictory address.
Good evening, Dr. Bridges, teachers, parents, and my fellow students. Thank you for joining us and celebrating this important step in our lives. As Les Brown once said, "Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars." This golden quote expresses how one should always strive to do one's very best and set high expectations. But if one does not reach those expectations, his or her hard work, dedication, concentration, and efforts will truly get them somewhere important in life. Today, I stand here before you, but not by my efforts alone. I am standing here because of the support and dedication of my close friends and family. I would like to start off by thanking the Almighty for blessing me and allowing me to have this opportunity. I would also like to express my gratitude towards my family, especially my parents, for without their continuing motivation, I would not be able to be where I am today. I would also like to thank all of my fellow friends for pushing me and telling me to keep on going when I would at times slack off. Last but not least, I would like to acknowledge my principal, Dr. Bridges, and my teachers, Mrs. Jennings, Mr. Pease, Miss Orsi, Miss Gates, Mr. Schofield, Mrs. Gilmore, Mr. Spikes, Miss McRae, and Mr. Rond, my high school math teacher, because without them, this award would be impossible to get. In fact, from the bottom of my heart, I am thankful to each and every member of the school for helping me to become a better and more caring person in life. From past experiences, I have learned that practice is the key to true success. An incident that I remember was when I had a difficult time in Science Olympiad, memorizing the bones of the skeletal system of a human. Then, my teachers, Miss Orsi and Mrs. Gilmore, showed me an easy way to memorize them by dividing them into portions. With this method and continuous practice, I was able to get through the event. Similarly, all of my teachers' lifelong experiences showed me the road to knowledge and success. I'm not sure what my future has in store for me, but I am sure that with the knowledge, experience, and the life skills I have gained from this school will guide me to have a better and more rewarding future. Wholeheartedly, I wish for each and every graduate to have a promising future filled with accomplishments with what they have achieved here. I feel that all of the knowledge that my generation has attained is going to help our present complications, such as the global economy being in jeopardy and the reoccurring oil spills in our ocean. I am certain, sitting among my graduating class are the future leaders, problem solvers, and all-around genuine people that will one day make a huge impact on this planet. I'm absolutely certain that with all the good deeds, hard work, and high spirits, my generation will not only land on the stars, but it will make it to the moon and beyond. Congratulations to the Jefferson Middle School graduating class of 2010. Good luck.